The 14 CSOs, Kanglei Park and community leaders of Kabui Union Manipur, Kom Union Manipur, Rongmei Naga Manipur, Meitei Pangal Manipur and representatives of IDPs in Manipur have urged the centre and Manipur government to defer census 2027. They have also demanded update of NRC before any delimitation exercise in the state. The group said it has submitted representations to the PMO, Ministry of Home Affairs and Registrar General of India. It claimed there is a gap between the aspirations of the people of Manipur and how the state's issues are being presented before central authorities. The organization cited several historical and administrative records to support a 1951-based citizenship identification exercise. These include the Manipur Constitution Act, pre-merger village records, and the state's first democratic election. They also referred to the entry and exit permit system for foreigners. According to the group, the system was abolished in 1950 after Manipur's merger with India. The organization said the first census and NRC in Manipur were conducted in 1951. They also raised concerns over changes in the number and status of villages over the years. The group further cited the porous Myanmar border and alleged demographic changes as reasons for establishing a clear base year for citizenship identification. The 14 CSOs and community leaders acknowledged that NRC issue involves different communities and stakeholders. They called for a tripartite dialogue involving the centre, Manipur government and all concerned stakeholders. The group urged authorities to examine census data from 1951 to 2011. It also demanded that census 2027 be deferred until NRC is updated. The organizations appealed to the Kuki Zoo Council and Saikot MLA Paulian Lal Haukip to study the historical census data and participate in discussions on the issue.
जो हम 10 आदमी मतलब 10 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दिल्ली आए हैं, जिसमें से हमारा 14 CSO कंगले पाक जो है वो हम लोग लीड करके आए हैं। उसमें हमारा मैतेई पांगल बेसिकली मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ऑफ मणिपुर, होम विच इज़ अ माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी इन मणिपुर, उसके बाद कबुई, रोंगमई नागा कम्युनिटी इन मणिपुर, ये सब मिलकर हम लोग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ जो मणिपुर के लोगों के NRC पहले किया जाए, सेंसस से पहले, वो डिमांड को हम लोग यूनियन मिनिस्टर और पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स के साथ डिस्कस करने के लिए, उनको प्रेशराइज करने के लिए दिल्ली आए थे।
क्या आपको रिस्पांस मिल रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है कि जो आपकी डिमांड रखी है वो पूरी होती दिख रही है आप लोगों को?
अभी तक जो हमें रिस्पांस मिला है वो काफ़ी, मतलब वी कैन नॉट से दैट इट इज़ 100% पॉजिटिव, बट कुछ पॉजिटिव मार्क्स हमें मिले हैं कि जो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है उसको सुना जा रहा है। और बेसिकली 8 से लेकर 10 MLA मणिपुर के यहाँ पे अभी दिल्ली में स्टेशन है,